Hi, I'm Jye and you're watching the Jye and I channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the thread on your overlocker without unthreading it all. Because who likes to thread an overlocker? Let's get into it. Threading an overlocker is no easy task, especially if you're in a hurry. So today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way of how to thread up your overlocker without undoing all the threads. Because let me tell you, it takes a lot of time and a lot of patience to thread up an overlocker. So to do this, all you'll need is a pair of scissors and your new color of thread. Let's get into it. Okay, so an overlocker pretty much just cuts off the edge of your fabric while stitching. It makes it look nice and neat, and it makes sure that, you know, nothing's gonna come unthread, nothing's gonna fall apart on the runway. Grab your scissors and we're gonna work from left to right so we don't get messed up. I want you to cut off the first reel of thread close to the spool. Then take that spool off, we don't need it anymore, just throw it away. And grab your new colored thread and place it onto the spool holder. Okay, so now we're going to tie the old thread to the new thread with a knot. Okay, so now that we've done that to the first one, we're going to continue across going left to right, doing that to each spool. Okay, so now that we've rethreaded all of that, I want you to go down to your feeder dogs and pull out the threads one by one, and you'll see the magic happen. Pull all your threads through. Once you get to the needle threads, make sure you stop the knot just before it goes through the needle. Then cut it off and thread it yourself. You don't want knots going through the needle because it could blunt it. And just like that, we've quickly changed over our thread. And a lot of new overlockers come already pre-threaded. So if you know how to quickly swap over the thread colors, you're never gonna have to thread an overlocker ever. That is so good. If you've liked this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more sewing and craft tips. Until the next video, make sure you keep sewing, keep creative, and I'll see you then.